right, today is October 24th. So this one is TWX, which is the Time Warner, and the news was been going on the whole weekend, which was about AT&T gonna buy out TWX. So as expected, TWX had a really nice volume right after the open and crazy volatilities too. And so I was watching this whole morning and finally get the point that where it fit into my style, and I see the setup I want, and start taking a look into it. So as I mentioned it in the chat, or TWX, I was planned to. You can see from the chart, I was planned to reshort this thing around using that 88 level as a risk. So gave myself a very very tiny stop, only 3 cents, 2 cents. First, I was trying to scale in at 1,000 shares, and I didn't want to play too big on this one because well, this is a good setup. It wasn't the perfect, because this one is already above VRAP area. So usually I would take it the VRAP area, so I might play more size. But this one, I'll still play it, but I'll just reduce my size a little bit more. So I was watching this, and it's just got 1,000. I'll probably go to 2K, and I got one fill. As you can see, I'm trying to wait for another fill, but this thing, I was afraid this thing would pop above 88. So just waiting for it to do some quick action or any quick pullback to the moving average. I would take profit. So see, as I mentioned, I'm watching this 88 level for some quick short. Eventually this thing, actually, I was little bit, well, it was doing some kind of consolidation movement around this 88, that I was like, it made me feel like it's gonna pop up, so I took it off almost at the break even, so nothing to lose. I always can re-enter it. So later on, I take this thing off and wait for it, and wait for this peaking action over. I mean, I still believe this thing is gonna calm down. I just want to get more time, because usually I like to get in the trade and the price action go into my way immediately after I place the trade. So as you see, I placed this stop order at 88. So just waiting. If they got take off, then that's fine. Worst case, I'm gonna lose 2 cents, which is no big deal. Because if you look at 87.40, which is 60 cents down on the bottom, so I can have a 2 cents risk with a 60 cents profit, is just huge difference. Let's say if I got stop out right here, at 80, I might lose like $10 plus commission maybe $12. But on the bottom, if I get it right, this thing is hundreds of dollars, because there's 60 cents on the bottom. So the risk reward is just there. I have to take it. Oh, this is the second one on TMUS. I was trading this TMUS also, because I saw from different monitor. So T-Mobile, really great great one this today. Later on, it popped to, I think by the end of the day, it was like 60.51. Anyway, as I mentioned it, I start scouting at 49.94 level, and I placed a stop limit order at about 50.03. So this thing, I'll just let it go, and if it pop, this can be a runner. So I was fully expect this thing gonna run at least test high of the day. Break high of the day, because this earning winner is pretty good, and they had a great earnings. It usually should run. So this is just one of those setups that happens during the our earning seasons. See, now I see this popping action, like the peaking action, I would call. And I was like, okay, now they let me get back in again. So I was gonna place a couple orders and start getting back into it. Because this 88 level is just telling me it's gonna peak out very soon. And I cannot resist with this risk and reward. Because it's just 60 cents on the bottom. And yeah, just watch this thing. I'm gonna speed up a little bit. You can see from the price action. Well, as you can see from here, I should have cover from this big washout once they peak out, and quick 3-4 minute drop from $88 to 87.40, even larger than I expected. So it's like 87.34. But the funny thing is, I was in the restroom, so I missed the first cover, this big washout, but after that I knew, because the price will retest it, and I just give more room and give a little bit time. It will come back. I'm pretty confident about that. So, and yeah, a small lesson: then never leave your position alone. If never go out for something if you have a position and significantly you're watching it. The good thing is, the price is in my favor, so I don't worry about that much. Anyway, keep watching this thing. You will see I covered the rest of my shares at around 87.40, around 87.45. So pretty solid trade. Like $800, I think, above like 850, something like that. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you can learn a few things, and talk to you guys in the chat room. Thanks.